Now, when do you take profits? A lot of our viewers will have made some money in the market in the last few months or the last few years. When do you take some of it off the table? How do you decide? Gregg Smith is with us, Evolution Partners guy. Gregg, give our viewers some advice. I realize that their situation may differ, but most of them have made a little bit of money in the market. How do you decide when and how much to take off the table?
Hey, good morning, Stuart. Well, you know I've been a raging bull on your show since the depths of the crisis beginning back in April. But lately, I wake up every morning, I look at the equity futures, I see tech stocks making new highs, and it almost feels like Christmas morning every morning. And we all know that Christmas morning can't come 350 days a year. So I would just urge people to look at what's going on in the environment. We're in a complete risk-on environment. We're seeing all equity products working. IPOs are working. SPAC issuance is coming at us like mad. And one of the hardest things to do is to know when to take profits. So right now, I am advocating, I'm not saying I'm Chicken Little here and yelling the sky is falling, but it's a prudent thing to look at your portfolio and know when to prune, and it's okay to lock in and take some profits.
Yeah, it's okay to do that. But doesn't it depend on your age as well? Because you've got a different time frame. Look, if I was in my 20s and 30s and I'd made some money...
I have a very different horizon for my two teenage kids, right? For them, I'm not trading their account. I'm trying to be tax efficient. Their account is filled with high quality ETFs that I'm investing for 5 to 10 years. So they are buy and hold. But for myself, I'm a little bit older. I am trading around my core positions. I'm not afraid to sell some and hope I'm wrong. Right. So to sell 5%, 10% of your position on the way up, yeah. Because let me tell you, when the music stops, nobody's going to tell you that the music is going to stop, and one day it will. I do continue to be a bull. I think we are in a buy the dip environment, and you've heard me say that the buyers are higher. But again, it's very hard to know when to take profits.
It's true, but I think the taking profits becomes not necessarily more urgent, but more intelligent the older you get, because you don't want the risk of holding through an election, et cetera, et cetera.
You're right. And it's also an opportunity cost in this environment, because where else are we going to put our capital, right?
Yeah.
If you look back the last 70 years, the last time S&P 500 dividend yields have been at this high of a ratio to treasuries, equities have outperformed.
You got it. I'm sorry, I've got to go, Greg. I'm out of time. Hard break coming up. But thanks, Gregg Smith.